650 and welcome to Castle Combe Circuit, and this is the start of some serious cars.
What are you doing today?
Today it is 2 hits of Batmobile, yay. One is 6 miles, 2 is 6 mile, and then it is 3 miles of a Torino and 3 miles of a GT500. Yay!
Have fun.
Yes. I do mean this. But let me introduce you to this gentleman. This gentleman owns I'm going to put really dignified, as I always do, a piece of rocking horse shit. And that literally is the best way that I can describe this, because there isn't many of them about. There really, truly isn't. So he's going to run us through this, hopefully, very kindly allowing us to do it. First of all, have you bought the car? It's yours, lock, stock and barrel?
Yeah, sure. We found it on American eBay. Going in through. Home, I think it came from. It was like a part finished kit. Somebody had started. It was just a load of fiberglass pieces, really, and a Lincoln Continental chassis. So yeah, we imported it over here, and the guys at the workshop got busy and built it all together, and now we've offered it out now.
That's beautiful. Well, very kindly, the gentleman's allowed us to have a peek, so please lead the way. This is like a holy grail for me. That really is truly the one. Oh, she is lovely. Can we see the engine? Thank you. Right, so
just how big it is.
How big is it?
Yeah.
You come in as close as you can. Right, tell me what her lump is.
So it's a big block V8.
You may have to speak up a little bit louder, my apologies.
457 cubic inches, which I believe is about 8.5 litre. Probably got about 150 horsepower, but you never know.
Beautiful. She's absolutely good for it. If I walk through, is there any work that you have to do yourself, or is she just basically as you bought her after it's all work has been done? So no extra modifications?
It was just pile of pieces when we bought it, so we put it all together.
So, there you go, this is my holy grail. If you come and have a look in here, this is absolutely brilliant. You will have to, I'm going to take this off if I may. Right, so you will have to excuse, we're still in the days of, this is the interior of Lincoln Ventura. This is beautiful. It's beautiful in so many different ways. Very jealous of this man. Jealousy is a sin, they say. If you're a Catholic, I am still jealous, I don't care. This is just beyond beautiful. She sounds like already. If you come back further on the rear end, so we've got all of this here. Obviously, car chaser
very long.
Has been placed on the back, and this would technically be where, ta-da, flame followed up by 2 parachutes. Parachutes aren't there. Obviously, that means he's got more power and he's just lost them. But
and
this
also,
is just beyond beautiful. It really, truly is.
I do believe, and I don't know if it's true, Barris, when he first designed it, did have parachutes in the back and got nicked because he let them off when he was driving down the road.
This is actually true, I know that. Would you mind giving her a rabbit hole, sir? This is just, it's... absolutely
nice.
Beautiful. Oh man, you can see the power in her, she's rocking every time. So lucky, so jealous. Yeah, it really is something else to see. And now just to add to the twist of this, so Lincoln Venturas were really rare in the day. There wasn't that many that was done, and if you remember the story that goes with this, George Barris bought his original Lincoln Ventura for $1 because they didn't think it was going to go anywhere. Amazing, absolutely amazing. That not only did it not go anywhere, but it made to be one of the most iconic cars in history. Recognisable all the way around the world. So, yeah, all good.
I believe waiting to take them out.
That is all good. Right, so this is me. I'm just about to go out on the Lincoln Ventura run. I've got 12 miles of playing with this beast. It's going to be awesome. This is just, well, this is like a small dream come true. I never ever thought I'd get to drive one of these. This is something else. To get 12 miles worth of driving her around a corner is going to be interesting because she is long. But this is fulfilling part of a dream. One of the ones on my bucket list. So while I go around on this, someone said I can't get inside, but I'm going to get somebody to video me going around doing the laps. So hopefully you enjoy and see what she's like. Going to be careful with her because she is rare. She is so rare. So with that part, I'm just going to leave you with it, and I'll do you a rerun as I come back in so you can hear all the mad tales. But I can't see her letting her down. I really can't see that she's going to let me down in any way, shape or form. Absolutely. Right, so this gentleman here, bless his heart, is going to be the man that's going to be seeing me push this hopefully to a decent and safe limit for 12 miles around this track. What else do you want? I'll see you on the other side.
Your hat if you don't take it off. cars for the day. They've pretty much got everything here. Dom's charger going past. In an aerial attic. is how he rolls.
And I'm going to turn around and just say to this gentleman here, a huge thank you, really do mean a huge thank you for just letting me work. That's 12 laps round this course and she's beautiful. She really truly is absolutely good fun. And he really behaved himself. God, not on the fact that he behaved himself for me, but he just left me to it.
Right, okay.
Which is nice. Which means that there's a lot of trust of that and it shows that it went well. Absolutely brilliant. So thank you just so much. Really? I know. So with that being said, that is me, very happy, hugely bouncing around, 6650.
AKA.
Gentlemen, signing off.
Thank you very much.
Right, so this has been the end of a day, very tired. I have literally lived a childhood dream today and loved every single minute of it, but it has taken its toll. So this is the transporter that brought all these wonderful beasts here, and this is the company that was the people that made it right, and they really are true that this is the car chase heroes experience, and it is absolutely brilliant. And if you do get the chance and you do want to try this out, the range of cars they have are, as you can hear in the background, absolutely spectacular and will make you smile from one side of your face to the other. And with that, and the end of a very, very happy day, as Susie 650, thanking you for watching and signing out.